Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to check the battery health on HP ELITEBOOK 855. So open the browser, type in HP battery check and open the first link. Then select the second option, run HP battery check. Then we need to give it a couple of seconds. As you can see, we will be given 2 or 3 prompts. Just click OK. Now install the HP Support Assistant. Okay, so I'll be back with you when it's ready downloading. So now that it is done, click Open File. Yes. Next. Accept the agreement. Next. Select where you want it to install. I'll just stick with the default option. Next. And let it install. Now that it's fully installed, close. Right here, close this and start the diagnostics once again. Yes, it wants to open the assistant. And test is in progress. No skip for now. And it again might take a while. Oh, it is good. So the primary battery normal. The battery status is an indicator of how well the multiple cells for the battery are charging and discharging. A normal status indicates that battery is functioning correctly. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.